Have you ever wondered what happens to cities filled with life? Some cities worldwide are now ghost towns. They stand empty, echoing the past. Today, we'll explore these fascinating abandoned cities. Abandoned cities often have rich histories. They once buzzed with activity. But economic collapse, natural disasters, or political turmoil led to their decline. This series of events left these urban landscapes deserted. The first factor is the loss of industry. Factories once employed thousands. When they shut down, workers had to leave. Without jobs, entire communities vanished overnight. Buildings quickly fell into disrepair. Another reason is natural disasters. Events like earthquakes, floods, or hurricanes can devastate cities. When recovery is too costly, people relocate. Entire neighborhoods are abandoned, leaving nothing but memories behind. Political decisions can also lead to abandonment. When governments relocate populations or change policies, citizens often have no option but to depart. This can render once thriving cities silent and empty. Consider the example of Pripyat, Ukraine. This city was home to over 49,000 people. After the Chernobyl disaster in 1986, everyone evacuated. Today, it remains a chilling reminder of that tragedy. Or, think about Bodie, California. Once a gold rush town, its population peaked at 10,000. As gold dwindled, people left, turning it into a ghost town. Now, it's preserved as a state park. In summary, abandoned cities offer unique insights into history. Understanding their decline helps us learn about economic, environmental, and political impacts. Exploring these empty spaces brings a mix of curiosity and melancholy. So, if you're intrigued by deserted places, dive deeper. Research these abandoned cities and share your findings. Who knows what stories